Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Speed Racer Mach 5. And this is just going to be a short one because the last week has been, let's call it a challenge. So the first thing is somehow I lost the underside of the nose. It used to be there, it's right there in the original video that I posted, but since then it has gone missing and I have no idea where it went. I mean, it's too big to have gotten stuck in something or under something. Best guess I've got is that I knocked it off the bench at some point and either accidentally threw it out or put it in another box. It fell in something that got shelved. I don't know. But because it's not exactly the kind of part that I can just scratch build a new one of, I'm getting a replacement that's in the mail. Should be here probably tomorrow. But obviously that kind of set the bodywork back a little bit. And then the other thing is, you can see it got the wheels on, but during that process, I managed to break that steering knuckle right there and had to glue that back together. I mean, it's fine now, it works, everything looks good, but you know, that was some more downtime that I didn't really plan on. And it happened because I tried to take them apart after I put them together, because I noticed once they were together that you could really obviously see that there weren't any brakes in the wheels. So I took the rear brakes here out of a Hasegawa Datsun and the front brakes out of a Tamiya BMW Z3, and they fit the wheels nicely, and you can see everything works out good, but in my trying to take it apart and put it back together, yeah, I broke that. And that was the right decision, but just wish it wasn't quite so frustrating road getting there. I also started in on the photo etch. I've got the saw blades in place. Still need to paint the center hubs on those. And I've got the valve covers finished off with the red Machs and lines on those. So at least those are coming together nicely. And again, the saw blades do look pretty cool in there. I gotta give Oshima credit for that. Also did a little bit of painting on some of the extra parts. So now I've got the inner door skins and the tire treads pretty much ready to go, and those are looking okay. And I also painted the greeble tray, I guess we're calling it, for the back of the car, and I do like the look of it. I think that looks pretty good. It's got this little hole up here for the periscope to go through, but the problem is you can't see it on the finished car. It's inside the back. So what I did was go ahead and open the trunk. And that's just a couple of straight pins, a little hinge point, and when you put this tray in, you can kind of get an idea of how that's supposed to look. Admittedly, there's not really a whole lot of room for Spritel and Chim Chim to go in there, but they were supposed to stay back home anyway. But at any rate, yeah, that works out pretty well. It's just got, like I said, a couple of straight pins as the hinges, have a little shelf in there made from some flat styrene. And I think I took care of the last of the divots in the body. The insides of the fins were the worst. Got those taken care of, and also the sides. And taking a look at the inside of the trunk, you see, just got a little aluminum tube there to act as the hinge. And the pins are just stuck in that. And got a couple of little blocks on the outside just to hold everything in place. Yeah, I think that'll be okay. So, next steps. My new kit should be here tomorrow, so I can get the underside of the nose and get that glued together, get the body work kind of finalized, and that'll be ready for paint. Got to finish off the saw blades, the wheels, a little bit more on the chassis. Still want to add fuel lines to the engine, and a few other little details, but I will have another update next week, so you can check back then, and thanks for watching.